So this is the ship they say is unsinkable.
Water. 14 feet above the keel in 10 minutes. As she goes down by the head, the water will spill over the tops of the bulkheads. At E-deck, from one to the next, back and back. There's no stopping it. Titanic will founder. But this ship can't sink. She's made of iron, sir. I assure you she can. And she will.
I saw the iceberg, and I see it in your eyes. Please tell me the truth.
The ship will sink. I promise.
Won't you even make a try for it?
I'm sorry, but I didn't build you a stronger ship than was.